is still alive. Whatever I'm saying today is deeply felt by this young spirit inside me. The body can wilt, it can decrepit or even perish, but the soul residing in the body is forever young. Similarly, if our home rule activities slow down, the freedom of our inner spirit cannot sustain, and no longer will it be indestructible. Then we ourselves will start believing that we are slaves. Freedom is my birthright. I will not be old as long as it is alive within me. This feeling of freedom, no weapon can cut this, no fire can burn it, no water can drown it, and no wind can blow it. We are asking for home rule and we will get it. The science of politics teaches us that we cannot achieve through slavery what we can through home rule. The soul that yearns from freedom, this which will only happen through the political progress. I want to destroy this superstition of slavery that has blinded your spirit. This superstition is the reason why you are being led down by ignorant, conniving, and selfish people. And if the century of British rule hasn't been able to make us competent enough for home rule, then we'll make ourselves fit for it. We all must save the soul of our nation from this custody of foreign rule. We have to toil for it.
My name is Vidit. I am from class 4A and I am going to tell you about the new sports equipment in our school. Sports develop physical as well as mental strength in students. Physical exercises are essential for students because exercise not only helps students to stay healthy but also helps to improve their emotional fitness. Sports should be a major part of the school curriculum because if students stay emotionally and physically healthy, they can easily focus on their studies. Students have to participate in school sports to increase confidence, mental alertness, and self-esteem. Sports are necessary for schools because it helps to teach various skills to students like leadership, patience, team efforts, and social skills. Keeping in mind the importance of physical fitness, Shri Ram Global School has added some equipments in the sports field. The first is cricket net. Cricket netting saves a lot of time that would otherwise be spent chasing a runaway ball or indeed losing cricket balls altogether. It also increases the level of safety during batting and bowling training sessions and eliminates the need for fielders or a wicket keeper. Let's talk about open gymnasium. Exercising outdoors comes with a range of physical and mental health benefits, including increased energy and decreased level of stress and depression. When training outdoors, we can also enjoy the benefits of sunshine, fresh outdoor air, and natural light invigorate and provide more energy for the mind and body. Sunshine provides the vitamin D that we need. Sunlight also enhances energy generation in the muscles and oxidation of the tissues. Next, we have the basketball court. Basketball game provides the children with the ability to improve teamwork and communication skills. Playing basketball together as a team develops better social skills and self-confidence. It also improves our leadership skills and self-awareness. Now, keeping in mind the benefits of swimming, a well managed indoor swimming pool has been constructed in the school campus. Swimming is one of the best exercise to burn extra fat or calories. Swimming is also an aerobic activity that pumps the heart. Ultimately, helps us to remain fit and healthy.
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद जैसे नारे लगाते हुए गलियों सड़कों पर निकलते थे, उन्हीं लम्हों को याद कराने के लिए आ रही हैं कक्षा 1 की छात्रा आंशी।
मैं कक्षा 1 की छात्रा आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। अंबर में बादल से ऊंचे हम 3 रंग लहराएंगे, केसरिया श्वेत और हरा ये नन्हे हाथ सजाएंगे। माँ तेरी माटी को हम अपने शीश लगाएंगे, ना गद्दारी ना भ्रष्टाचार मिलजुल कर देश बढ़ाएंगे। तिलक शेखर भगत और गांधी आंधी बन लड़ जाएंगे, आन पड़ी जो शान की बात लड़कर शीश कटाएंगे। अंबर में बादल से ऊंचे हम 3 रंग लहराएंगे, केसरिया श्वेत और हरा ये नन्हे हाथ सजाएंगे। केसरिया श्वेत और हरा ये नन्हे हाथ सजाएंगे। धन्यवाद। जय।
सी खुशी भूलों सी बाहें भूल गए, जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से, जाने वतन सा जाग बुझे, हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी। हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी, अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ।
our Director of Operations, and our respected guests, Ms. Pooja Prasad, dear teachers, staff members, and my dear students. I welcome you all today for the celebration of Independence Day at Sri Ram Global School, Lucknow. Today is 15th August, and I'm delighted to tell you all that it's been 75 years since we attained this hard-earned freedom. Today is the day when we got freedom from the British rule. Freedom to choose our government, freedom to live freely and not be ruled by anyone. However, to get this freedom, our great freedom fighters had to stay put behind the bars for months or years and sacrifice their family and lives. We celebrate this day because it was a historic moment for all the Indians. But amidst all this celebration, there is something that we ought to be done. First, paying homage to our freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sarojini Naidu, and many more. These are only a few of those whose blood and sweat has attained the freedom to us. These illustrious personalities were known for their great sense of fortitude, perseverance, patience, and courage. It is based on their sheer mental strength that they could withstand the stormy period of our Independence Day struggle. If we were not blessed with such great personalities, winning back our country's freedom would have been a far cry. Thus, it is extremely important to not overlook the struggling period of those times and value this freedom and think that in what way can we make the best use of this freedom and make our country proud. We should consider ourselves extremely fortunate to have been born in a free, independent nation where we can give wings to our imagination and all our desires. Our country is developing rapidly in the field of technology, education, sports, finance, and various other fields. We have full right to choose our government and enjoy the largest democracy in the world. We must take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizens of next generation India. We must sincerely perform our duties and work hard to reach our goals and successfully lead this democratic nation. Let us cultivate a vision for our motherland and work towards realizing that vision where everyone has equal opportunities. Let us work towards a better tomorrow. Jai Hind.
Alright, so we are presenting Air Watan for you. Air Watan, mere Watan, Air Watan, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू.
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ।
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ भी याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरी वतन, ऐ वतन मेरी वतन, वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ भी याद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Wonderful performance. Now, I would like to invite our Director of Operations, Ms. Palak Singh, to share her thoughts.
And a very happy Independence Day to all of you. I will keep this very short and simple, and I'll mainly try to address all the kids sitting at the back because they are the future of tomorrow. So जो आप करोगे, that is going to be the future. So try to, with great power comes great responsibility. So you have the power to change the future. So do everything responsibility. Independence मिली है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि कुछ भी करना है. Independence मिली है इसका मतलब ये कि responsibly करना है. अगर कोई मास्क नहीं पहना है, so right now if you want to get rid of corona, mask and sanitizers are the most important thing that we have to do today. So you have to make sure, and even if you see your parents, just tell them, because like India will become better because of you all. And teachers, they already know their responsibilities and they are doing a commendable job in making you the best version of yourself. So I think, like, I will not address any of the elderlies here. The kids, you are the future of tomorrow, and make all the kids responsible. That's all. Happy Independence Day to all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words. Now, I would like to request our principal to please come and present a token of gratitude to our chief guest.
वतन परस्ती है, वफा ज़मीं, देश के लिए मर मिटना कबूल है हमें, देश के लिए मर मिटना कबूल है हमें, अखंड भारत के स्वप्न का जुनून है हमें, जुनून है हमें. With this, we have come to an end of the celebrations of the 75th Independence Day. We should all take a note today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizens of India. We should all perform our duties and work hard to reach our goals.
Mishra, take immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks to all the dignitaries present here for the event. I would like to thank our chief guest, Shri Sadhu Charan Singh Ji, who honored this function with his gracious presence for the event. I would also like to thank here the other guests, Mrs. Nanda Singh, Mrs. Sandhya, Mrs. Asha Singh, and Ms. Palak Singh for joining us today for the event. The parents and the students truly deserve our gratitude for the immense support and the tremendous hard work they have shown to make the event a successful one. We also thank to the teachers and to the staff members of the SRGS fraternity who worked hard to ensure that this success comes to our way. Last but not the least, I express my heartfelt thanks to the management, to Pooja Prasad ma'am, and to the principal for their guidance, encouragement, and continuous support throughout the event. Jai Hind.